Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Friends, I had a very good happy Thanksgiving actually. Though we were with only our own families, I missed all the crowd of every time how we have it normal times. So it was really little sad, but still I had a good time. I hope you must have watched my video of my Thanksgiving, and I have worn a nice Indian dress over there. I hope you all liked it and you all had a good time too. So, friends, today I was left out with a little bit of old rice from last night. So I said, let's do something great today. So I came up with this nice seasoning of rice, which is even known as tomato rice and seasoned rice, tomato ke chawal and all it's called in India. So I gave it a good twist where I have even added some buffalo sauce in it. I hope you all will like it. Let's come into my kitchen. Here I've taken a pan, I've heated up the oil. I'm putting some mustard seeds, just some, now it's nicely getting, it's tempered well and it's getting tempered well. Now I'm adding some cut onions. I'm adding one or two curry leaves, but if you don't have, it's not necessary. Now I have sauteed it. Now I'll be chopping one tomato, just roughly. You don't have to do small pieces, just roughly. You can just chop into 4 or 5 pieces for the half, and the other half I'm chopping again just into big pieces. It will get soft as we keep stirring it and mix with the other spices. I'm adding a little cilantro, which I always freeze in my freezer. I'm adding a little chili powder. I'm adding a spoon of salt. I'm adding a pinch of turmeric. I'm just trying to make these soft as the tomatoes already left its moisture and it will become little watery vegetable over here now. So I've done so much. Now again I'll just, when you try to saute this tomato, see how it's getting mushy by itself because there's moisture and all this moisture is coming out. And here I've taken a whole egg. I'm adding only one egg. I've just cracked it with the vessel in which I was cooking. So here it is. I'm just pouring it inside and I'll just stir it up now. Now I'm adding it to give a good texture and a good spicy and a good taste in the food. I'm putting red hot wings buffalo sauce. Just add a very little, we don't need much. We'll just add 1 spoon. So now I'm stirring that up again, and this mixture tastes good with your rolls, your buns, your sandwiches. It just tastes and gives the tangy flavor. But I'm going to give a nice twist over here and I'll make something which you all love it. So this is the ingredient which we need to make, and this was last night's rice. I wanted to make it new rice, and I'll just mash it with my fingers and make it even because they are cold and they'll be little frozen kind. So just add this in this what we were doing, frying over here with onions, tomatoes, fried. It becomes a kind of fried rice with all the eggs and the tangy sauce, hot sauce, buffalo sauce we added. So here it is. Old food becomes new, fresh fried rice. Now just toss it upside down. You'll get the flavor of rice, the eggs, the tomatoes, the onions, the buffalo sauce, hot sauce. Whoever likes it less spicy can use it less, and whoever likes can add more according to your flavor and according to your taste. You can add carrots in here, you can add peas in here, you can add all kinds of vegetables. I was out of carrots and peas, so I didn't add. But you can add any kind of vegetable. Just keep stirring it well and see that there are no lumps. I can still see some lumps. So here's the rice which I made with the leftover rice you can make so many things. And this is having egg and nicely simmered with onions and tomatoes. Enjoy. So friends, did you like this twist where I made it little with the eggs, little onions, little tomatoes, little buffalo sauce? Everybody has a good flavor with this rice. You can have it with the yogurt, you can have it with any tortilla, you can wrap it up, you can have it in a sandwich too. It will give you a very good flavor. So friends, I hope you like this little recipe, and you can pack this for kiddos lunch boxes also. Everybody will like, and they'll say, wow, today it's rice, it's so yummy. If you liked it, no friends, you know what you have to do. You give it a big thumbs up, share it, comment and subscribe. Bye. Love you all. Thanks for watching.